Welcome back, fantastic first graders. Today I am reading in our social studies book on page 192 and 193. You guys just follow along with the video. We are reading, on Monday we talked about fact and fiction and the difference between fiction and nonfiction. Well, today we are reading a short nonfiction story about a man named Neil Armstrong. Remember, since this story is nonfiction, we will only be reading things that are facts. That means they are true. Neil Armstrong. When Neil Armstrong was a boy, he liked airplanes and flying. As a teenager, he earned money to pay for flying lessons. Armstrong became a pilot for the United States Navy. In 1962, he joined NASA to learn how to become an astronaut. Armstrong first went into space in 1966. Then in 1969, he became the first person to walk on the moon. As he stepped onto the moon, he said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Many people on Earth watched his steps. Armstrong put an American flag on the moon. So here you can see a picture. It's kind of hard to tell, but this is Neil Armstrong standing in his oh no, it's not. Miss Breckenridge is having an even harder time telling. Sorry, guys. This is the picture of the American flag that he put on the moon. I'm not really sure what that is. That looks like looks like maybe there's a camera on that. So the little shuttle, or maybe the little space rover that's up there to take pictures. So yes, America was the first country to get astronauts to land on the moon, and so Neil Armstrong put an American flag there. And they did have TVs in 1966, so a lot of people were able to watch that. So that's pretty cool. Neil Armstrong put an American flag on the moon. So down here, we have a little timeline. It says in 1930, he was born. In 1950, he became a pilot for the United States Navy. And in 1969, he became the first person to walk on the moon. In 1969. So you guys are going to answer this question, this short little comprehension question from our reading. How did Neil Armstrong show his patriotism? Patriotism is something that you do to show you are loyal to your country. That means you appreciate your country and you are proud of your country. That is patriotism. So what did Neil Armstrong do to show his patriotism? And that's it for today, you guys.